Hi, my name is Daniel and I'm a car seat technician here in the county of Santa Cruz. We're going to review certain guidelines regarding car seats, but please always refer to the car seat manual and your vehicle manual. Here in California, there's actually a law that states any child under the age of 2 has to be rear facing. There are a few exceptions and you can go ahead and talk to your technician about that. Now that we went over some of the information for the car seats, let's go over how to install them. However, this is general information. Please refer to your car seat manual and vehicle manual for specific instructions.
Awesome.
This is a combination seat and it's used for forward facing only. However, once the weight limit of the harness gets reached, this seat turns into a booster seat. You want to first locate the correct belt path that we will use to run the anchors through, as well as the 2 car bars that the anchors will connect to. Once the correct belt path is located, start on one side and connect one anchor to the car bar and make sure the anchor is facing down when connecting. Do the same with the other anchor on the other side and make sure the anchor strap isn't twisted. Once the anchors are connected, you want to use one hand to push down where the child's bottom will be, and the other hand, you want to tightly pull the remaining anchor strap. If your vehicle comes with a tether clip, connect the tether strap to the clip. Always make sure to check the car seat doesn't move more than 1 inch from side to side. If you are installing a rear-facing car seat with the anchor system, you want to follow the same steps by locating the correct belt path, connecting and tightening the anchors, and making sure the car seat doesn't move more than 1 inch side to side. A rear-facing car seat will not need to use the tether strap.